Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with the Factor Meals app not working or encountering delivery errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the problem. Step 1. Open your phone settings and navigate to Apps or Application Manager. Find the Factor app in your list of installed applications and tap on it. Step 2. Select Storage or Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing errors. Clear data if problems continue. Step 3. Force stop the Factor app from your device settings. Then swipe it away from your recent apps to ensure it's completely closed before restarting. Step 4. Check that you have a stable internet connection by testing other apps or websites. Factor requires good connectivity to manage orders and deliveries. Step 5. Visit your App Store and search for Factor. Install any available updates to ensure you're running the latest version with bug fixes. Step 6. If you're experiencing delivery errors, verify your delivery address and delivery window in the app settings. Make sure all information is accurate and up to date. Step 7. For delivery problems, contact Factor customer support directly through the app, website, or by phone. They can track your order, update delivery details, or reschedule if needed. If the app continues to malfunction, uninstall and reinstall it from your app store, sign back in, and verify your account information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.